built stage by stage, process by process, death by death, blood by blood, work by work, to bring it where we are. So whoever comes to follow us, please, you are most welcome, but mark my words, follow our values, maintain them, look after them, share them, and we all benefit. Adui akija, sisi tuko tayari. The UPDF. That's the UPDF. Individuals are individuals. All of us will come and will go. But at least the foundation for Uganda to stabilize and to move forward is because of the UPDF. The UPDF. Individuals are individuals. All of us will come and will go. But at least the foundation for Uganda to stabilize and to move forward is because of the UPDF. Those who are coming behind us have the challenge. Now listen to me there. All our officers, our senior officers, our junior officers, all our leaders. When you see somebody going out and they are saying you go in his shoes, the challenge you have is, will you fit in those shoes? Will you keep the values? Now here on that one, are you going to keep the values that made UPDF and NRAB who it is? The values, the doctrine of the UPDF.